Deep in the Altiplano of Colombia, near the bustling capital of Bogotá, archaeologists made a discovery that has reshaped what we know about human history in the Americas. Buried for over 6,000 years, the remains of a child, delicate, small, yet remarkably preserved, tell a story that science is only beginning to understand. These bones belong to a human lineage that was previously unknown, a population that lived, thrived, and vanished, leaving behind only traces in the soil and now in our understanding of the past. Tonight, we explore the mystery of Colombia's lost human lineage. The site of Checua, located in the Altiplano Cundiboyacense, is renowned among archaeologists. For decades, it has yielded artifacts and skeletal remains dating back thousands of years, offering glimpses into the lives of early human settlers in South America. In 2025, a team of Colombian scientists conducted a careful excavation at Checua. Among the fragments of pottery, stone tools, and ancient hearths, they uncovered skeletal remains of a child. The bones were small and delicate, preserved by the high-altitude conditions of the region. Radiocarbon dating confirmed the remains were approximately 6,000 years old, predating many known early settlements in the Americas. At first glance, the child's remains were familiar human. But the true revelation came after scientists performed genetic analysis. Advances in ancient DNA extraction and sequencing have allowed researchers to peer into the genetic makeup of long-dead individuals. When the team sequenced the child's genome, they made a remarkable discovery. The DNA revealed a lineage that did not match any previously documented indigenous populations in South America. This lineage represents a branch of humanity that had been isolated for thousands of years. Its genetic markers suggest that this group lived in the region without significant contact with surrounding populations. The findings demonstrate that human diversity in the Americas was far greater than previously understood. There were groups of people whose genetic signatures are now lost to history until now. This discovery is not just about a single child. It represents an entire population that contributed to the complex tapestry of early human life in South America. For decades, scientists have traced the migration of humans into the Americas. Evidence suggests that early humans arrived via the Bering Land Bridge, spreading throughout North and South America over thousands of years. The Checua Child's DNA challenges the simplicity of this narrative. It reveals that some groups remained isolated, developing unique genetic profiles over millennia. This lost lineage suggests that human settlement in South America was far more complex. There were populations we had no record of, communities that thrived, adapted, and contributed to the genetic diversity of the continent before disappearing from history. It raises questions about how these groups interacted, why they vanished, and what environmental, social, or cultural factors shaped their existence. The discovery has generated excitement across the scientific community. Geneticists, archaeologists, and anthropologists recognize its significance. Dr. Ana Maria Rodriguez, a geneticist involved in the study, explains, "This child represents a population that was completely unknown to us. It shows that there are chapters of human history in the Americas that we are only beginning to uncover." Ongoing research aims to sequence more individuals from the region, hoping to map the extent of this lost lineage. Scientists are also comparing these genomes with other ancient remains in the Americas to understand migration patterns and population dynamics. The Checua discovery underscores the importance of preserving archaeological sites and using modern technology to uncover hidden histories. The remains of this ancient child remind us that the history of humanity is far more intricate than we once believed. Populations lived, adapted, and sometimes disappeared, leaving traces only in DNA in the soil beneath our feet. The Checua Child is a window into a lost lineage, a reminder that our understanding of the past is always evolving. As scientists continue their research, we may yet uncover more forgotten chapters of human history. And with each discovery, we come closer to understanding the full story of our species, a story of migration, adaptation, and survival across millennia.